To review your AvaTax usage, go to your Account Overview. Find your Transactions usage. Your AvaTax subscription includes a certain number of transactions. The meter shows what percentage of those transactions you've already used. You can also review the start and end date of your current AvaTax subscription. To learn more about your usage, view the details. In the summary section, you can see exactly how many billable transactions you've used. The default chart view shows your cumulative usage over time. The options across the top allow you to view different time periods or apply filters to only show transactions from specific integrations or from specific companies within your account. The default view includes a projection of how many transactions you will use in the future. In this example, the usage is projected to exceed the subscription tier. By default, companies that exceed their allotted usage are automatically upgraded to the next tier. If you've opted out of automatic upgrades, you will be billed for the overages. The table below the chart shows how we calculated your usage each day. There are 3 different ways we calculate your tax calculation usage. The first 2 methods are based on the number of committed transactions. The Documents column is the number of committed transactions that we calculated or recalculated the tax for. The Line Items column is the total number of line items across all of your committed transactions divided by 35. We only use this calculation method if your transactions for the day average more than 35 line items. API calls are based on how many tax calculation calls are made to our system, regardless of if the transactions were committed. For example, if a customer abandons their cart after we calculated the tax, that still counts as an API call. Every 10 API calls count as 1 transaction against your usage. At the end of each day, whichever of the 3 methods resulted in the most usage is what counts as your usage for that day. In addition, address validations also count towards your usage. Every 10 address validations counts as 1 transaction. So, your final billable transactions each day equals your tax calculations using one of the 3 methods, plus your address validations divided by 10. If you have additional questions about your usage, you can always open a support case.